Hey everyone, welcome to the first video in our Linux series for beginners. In this video we are going to break down what Linux is, how it compares with Windows and Unix, and why it's such a powerful and popular operating system around the world. So whether you are aiming for DevOps, system administration or just getting started, you are at the right place. So what exactly is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system. That means the source code is freely available for anyone to view, use, modify and distribute. It was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991. So when he wanted a free alternative of Unix, over a time a global community of developers contributed to its growth, making Linux incredibly powerful, stable, and flexible. Today, its uses in servers, cloud computing, embedded system, and even mobile devices. So let's quickly look at the architecture of Linux. So at the bottom, there is a kernel, which is the heart of the operating system. It talks directly to the hardware and manages CPU, memory, and device drivers. Then comes the shell. This is what interpret your command, typically through a terminal or CLI. Finally, on the top of everything are the application you run, like browsers, text editors, and custom software. This module design gives Linux flexibility and power. So, how does Linux compare to Windows? First, Linux is an open source and free, while Windows is closed source and required a license fee. In Linux, you can customize nearly every part of the system, from how it looks to how it behaves. Windows has more restrictions. Security wise, Linux is generally considered more secure, especially on servers. It follows a permission based structure and is less targeted by viruses. Usage is also different. Linux dominates in servers, DevOps, and cloud platform, while Windows is more common on personal desktops and gaming systems. Linux and Unix are closely related. In fact, was originally designed to be Unix-like. The biggest difference is license. Unix is mostly proprietary, owned by vendors like IBM or Oracle, while Linux is open source. Unix systems are used in big enterprises environment, often running mission critical applications. Linux on the other hand has broader hardware support and is used in everything from web servers to smart TVs. While Unix systems are very stable, Linux has become more flexible and accessible for the everyday user. You might be surprised by how many places Linux is used. It runs on web servers powering Google, Facebook, and millions of websites. It's the core of all the cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It's also the backbone of container technologies like Docker, Kubernetes. Your Android phone? Yep, it's Linux based. Even most supercomputers in the world run Linux. In short, Linux is everywhere, and learning it opens up a world of opportunities. So, why should you learn Linux? First, it's essential if you are working in IT, learning DevOps, or cloud computing. Second, it gives you a better control and understanding of how system really works, which is useful for scripting, automation, and security. Third, it's a free. You can install it on any machine or even run it in the cloud. And finally, it's fun. Once you get the hang of it, you will feel empowered using the command line and building custom setups. So in the next video, we will dive into terminal, understand the Linux file system, and start exploring real commands. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next video where we start our hands-on journey with Linux. Thank you.